Woodwork me. Hit the woodwork.
Oh my God.
What does hit the woodwork mean?
Hit the woodwork. Hit the woodwork basically means press on, defend, get those legs moving.
Chapa zoezi.
Hitting the goalpost, like, see, this is, it's that one. Well, it's that one. I swear that was a guessing game. Okay, at least.
Woodwork, to hit the woodwork. I don't know, to prepare, I don't know.
Paint. Like keeping a ball alafu hit the woodwork. What does that mean?
Oh, ile kona ya goalpost.
Oh, like the ball was super strong. The player kicked the ball super strong.
Ama frame ya goalpost. Oh, oh, okay. Okay.
The ball imegonga ile frame ya goalpost. Quite serious na hizi terms, by the way.
What's the meaning of kickoff?
Kickoff. Kickoff, it's when, I don't know how to put it, but it's like guys wako hapo karibu na hiyo square ya nini, ya goal, and then wame line up, and then there's another person who is trying to like score. It's like a penalty, but not a penalty. I don't know how to explain it. What's the meaning of kickoff? Kickoff is the time when the match starts. Yeah, that's kickoff. Thank you, Bebe, for teaching me these terms.
Time game inaanza. Time kipienga kinalia. That's the kickoff.
I give you the ball, then you kick it back. I don't know.
Kickoff is basically when a football match starts, it kicks off.
Oh my God. Hi.
What does it mean to win the treble? My goodness.
Treble ni kupepeta. Sindio?
To win game. I don't know. What's a treble?
A good example, like Manchester City. They won the EPL, they won I don't know which and which, and then they won which and which. Yeah, so it's basically winning 3 leagues or 3 games consecutive that season. In that season.
Trophies.
Yeah, winning 3 trophies.
Think of it in terms of trophies.
Win the treble.
So to win a cup.
Win the treble. Win the charts. Kwa hiyo group ya charts. What is a treble, first of all? To
win UEFA championship. I don't know.
Winning a trophy. Those gold things that they normally get. Those gold chains. I don't know. Oh my God.
That's a difficult one.
Yeah, that was a difficult one.
Chapa zoezi. So kuchapa zoezi. Woodwork, to hit the woodwork.